Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download the app for DJI OM 5. And to do this, first if you try to look for a DJI Mimo app, which we need to download in a Google Play Store, the app is not available. There's the DJI Store, but it's not the app that we're looking for. So to do this, we'll need to open our Google and here find DJI Mimo. Now there's the first link for it, DJI Mimo Download Center. We're gonna click on that and download the app file. Download anyway. When it's finished, click on the open and install it. Here we'll need to agree to some permissions and basically anything. And the app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.